Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix failed to load the main menu from the current game mode. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. This error can occur for a variety of reasons, but the most common cause is that your profile data is corrupted. To fix this error, you need to completely clear your profile data. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Open File Explorer and navigate to the following folder. See users, your username, app data, local Larian Studios, Baldur's Gate 3, player profiles. 2. Check to see if any profiles are left in this folder. If there are, delete them. 3. Once you have deleted all of your profiles, restart your computer. Test once your computer has restarted. Try launching Baldur's Gate 3 again. If the error is gone, then you have successfully fixed it. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.